30 days till Christmas, and all I know is I'm not quite ready to let go of this past year. I have so much to show. One more month and all I need is a sign from you that you think of me. If you don't, then please just say so. 'Cause all I do is think of you. And it's wearing me out, it's wearing me down. This holiday is nothing but frowns for me. But I've got a gift, you see. I'm making a list, hell, I'll check it twice, of all the things you've done in my life. Then I'll send it your way, so you see why I love you. That someone like me could have fallen in love so easily. I know that you know that I know what I want. I know I can't have it, but give it a thought. I know that it sounds crazy, baby, but all I do is think of you. It's wearing me out, it's wearing me down.